Hey, all you florists out there. I want to challenge you that carnation is not a swear word. I see shops out there bragging that they don't bring in carnations. Well, I guess that's your loss. I really think you're missing out. The breeders have come up with some fabulous new colors that are just stunning and really can add a lot of depth and dimension into your designs. If you're still using your carnations in the same way that you did the last 20 years in a design and one here, one here, one here in a dotty presence, I'd say shame on you. Update your styling. Think about using them as basing. And I just want to look at a couple here. This one is one of the carnations that I actually used in here into this design. So you can see the color variation that we see coming in on that. And in this piece here, I've used them in a basing technique where I brought them in and brought that deep dark color down in, but just utilize the two carnations. Sometimes the carnations come in real tight and you can brush them open, but a carnation, you can actually rip the calyx here and it does not decrease the life of the flower. And you're going to get a lot bigger presence of that floral material in your design. Here you can see just a simple vase design here with a couple pieces, and I can use two carnations right down into the focal area in this lighter color. They'll tie everything else in and make this become a sturdy design, great mechanic in it. But so there you can see how you can use them as basing, but think about different opportunities. For the customer, the arrangement lasts as long as the last flower that dies. So bring some carnations in today and explore the possibilities. I'm Sandy Schroeck for LBR Educates. Thanks for watching today.